Okay, so hi dear Taurus. This is Tarot Anjali, and today I'm going to do 7 days, 7 oracle messages from 13th to the 19th of April 2026. 7 days, 7 oracle messages. Please keep in mind these messages might be not for you. If they resonate, good. If they don't try to take them personal. Please use common sense and brain while watching journal videos on YouTube. Okay. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You will get the details for the same. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Taurus, overall energy for Taurus people for this week. Let's see. So the overall energy is Four of Raphael. Seek out other possibilities. Taurus, you might be stuck on something or someone like this is the only thing that I can do in my life, or this is the only option that I have only in my life. Seek out other possibilities also. Look for magic in life. Be aware of your own emotions. You might be in the overly emotional side this week, might be. Try not to make any kind of life changing decisions or choices in this week, and look for the magic if in life. Instead of focusing on the negatives all the time, try to focus on the positives this week. Okay, let's see the per day messages for you guys. 13th, we have Page of Michael, an exciting new challenge. You have what it takes to succeed, and review contracts or documents very thoroughly. You guys are going to be like given some kind of new challenge. You guys will be able to succeed in overcoming that challenge. Review all the contracts or documents very thoroughly. If you are signing some kind of documentation or making some kind of contracts, make sure you are going to read everything, all the terms and conditions thoroughly. Or if you can hire somebody to read it for you, if you cannot do it yourself, then only go and proceed further. 14th, we have Three of Raphael, reasons to celebrate, a community of friends, happy announcement regarding relationships or children. You guys are going to have a reason to celebrate something. A community of friends is going to be there. You guys are going to connect with your soul family, or connecting with people who are like family to you. Happy announcement regarding relationships. You might end up connecting with somebody with whom you can have a good relationship with at some point of time, or something related to children is going to give you a very good kind of energy, good kind of vibes. Okay. 13, 14, 15th, we have Six of Ariel. Material needs gets fulfilled in magical and unexpected ways. You guys are going to get some kind of financial success in unexpected and magical ways. Acts of kindness, giving or receiving with a grateful heart. Your act of kindness is going to be rewarded by the universe. You should give or receive with a grateful heart. Okay. If you're giving something to someone, do it with a grateful heart. If you're receiving something from someone, do it with a grateful heart. But act of kindness is going to be rewarded in a very, very beautiful way. Don't do anything in your life just because you're going to get good karma, or you're going to get universal blessings. This is a transaction. Then you have to do whatever you are doing in whatever way, especially if it is for others, do it in a selfless way. Do it in a way that you know you might or might never get anything good in return, right? So if you're doing good karma just for the sake of getting good rewards, but you're genuinely not a good person, then there's no use of doing that shit. Then it's not going to work out. Everything works on detachment and selflessness, in the universal, in the energetic field, in the energetic realm. What the hell, what should I say? 13, 14, 15. 16th, we have the Lovers. Make choices from your heart. Deeply emotional commitments, the power of love. A person might show up in your life, or if you guys are already in a relationship, your connection with your person is going to get very very deep, and you guys are going to feel deeply emotional commitments with each other. The power of love is going to bring joy in your life. Okay, so till this point, there's love also, family love also, otherwise others love also, material needs also getting fulfilled. Okay, review the documents and terms and conditions thoroughly before jumping into any kind of new situations, contracts, or collaborations or partnerships. 13, 14, 15, 16. 17th, we have the page of Raphael. A new emotional situation, messages regarding relationships or social investment invitations. What is happening? We are getting the repetitive messages for you, Taurus. There are very good chances of you guys connecting with somebody on an emotional level this week. You might get invited to speak somewhere. If you are into a field of speaking or personality development, or where you are the one who's a mentor or guru or something like that, you might get invited to some place. And great intuitive insights. You guys are going to get some kind of intuitive insights also on this particular day. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17th. 17th, you guys might get some kind of intuitive insights from inside. Intuitive insight means like you getting messages and downloads in your head from nowhere, out of nowhere. You are going to get to know some kind of things, and you will get some kind of messages in your dreams, like you will get to know something. So these are the intuitive messages or insights. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18th, we have the Sun card. Life is wonderful. Thrive through the power of positive thinking and inspiring success. This day, power of positive thinking is going to help you to keep going, because might be situations around you are not going to be that much happy or that much positive, but your positive thinking can bring you a good kind of energy to keep going in your life in this on this particular day. And you guys are going to get some kind of inspiring success. People are going to get inspired from you with the kind of success that you're going to get on this day. 19th, we have Three of Michael. Release the past, you will grow from the situation. Time heals all wounds. Releasing the past is the best choice, best option for you guys in order to move forward. You will be able to grow from this situation, whatever or wherever you are stuck in your life. You guys will be able to grow from this situation slowly but surely. But make sure you are releasing the past. You're not keeping yourself stuck on the past all the time. Time or heal or Time heals all wounds. Everything is going to be fine with time, Taurus. Nothing is permanent on this planet Earth, and not your pain also. Let's see the guidance here for you, the last message. Change your life. A sudden revelation that offers freedom. Break free of procrastination. Embrace the opportunities that change brings. Some kind of sudden message is going to be there. Some kind of something is going to be revealed to you. It is going to make you feel uncomfortable for some time, but this is going to offer you the freedom, the kind of freedom that is going to help you to move forward towards better opportunities. Okay, but procrastination is a killer of your dreams and killer of your things. Please do not procrastinate important things that you should be doing on this particular week, in this particular week, on particular days. Okay, embrace the opportunities that change is going to bring. It's very very difficult for Taurus people to accept change. Of course, not all of you, but try to embrace the opportunities that change is going to bring in your life, because change is the only constant, Taurus. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.